Have you ever wondered why your facility is facing an unplanned downtime crisis? Or the consequences of not having a comprehensive view into your enterprise assets? You're not alone. 82% of companies experience at least one instance of unplanned downtime every 3 years. In the manufacturing industry alone, the annual average cost of unplanned downtime stands at a staggering $50 billion. Of the several factors that contribute to unplanned downtime, challenges in maintenance management are by far the most prominent ones. Yet, 51% of organizations operate on reactive maintenance models and use outdated maintenance management systems to defer investing in modern technology. At TMA Systems, we've spent more than 3 decades helping facilities maintenance managers, capital planners, campus operations managers, and plant operations managers overcome these challenges with our state-of-the-art maintenance management solution, WebTMA. WebTMA is the result of decades of innovation and experience in delivering service excellence to world-class organizations. The modular nature of the solution allows enterprises to easily implement it and scale to meet evolving needs. It can also be configured to meet niche requirements for use as a native solution across industries. WebTMA enables access to a host of optional modules that can be plugged into the base solution to increase the scope of maintenance management. This includes everything from contract management and capital planning to custodial and facility schedule management and more. Our comprehensive interfaces help WebTMA integrate with external enterprise applications like ERP, vendor management, and space management. As a result, enterprises can promote data-driven decision-making viewing using the embedded report writer or by connecting an existing reporting tool. Moreover, WebTMA can be hosted on your on-premises servers or purchased as a cloud-based subscription service, depending on your needs. Want to know how WebTMA can help you reduce downtime, improve productivity of your facilities, and yield a greater return on your assets by transitioning from reactive to predictive maintenance management? Get in touch with us today.